So good afternoon everyone. So my first topic is transformer. So what is transformer? So a transformer is an electrical device that transports electrical energy between two or more circuits. So through electromagnetic induction, so it is used to increase or step up or decrease step down voltage levels in power system. So enabling efficient transmission and distribution of electrical power. So next is the construction of transformer. The transformer operates on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic, which states that a charge in the magnetic plus through a rust in dual electromotive force, so AME. So in the circuit, the key components of the transformers include step-up transformer. So function increases the voltage from the primary winding to the secondary. So next is the application. Used in power generation, plans to increase the voltage for expedient transmission on long distance. So his advantages is reduces transmission losses by increasing voltage, which detenses or current and consequently. So his disadvantages is requires high insulation and to high generating voltages. So safety measures. Next is the auto transformer. So function, shares winding between the primary secondary side, so offering variable voltage output. So application used for voltage regulation and to provide small voltage changes power system. So advantages is more compact, efficient and cost effective compared to standard transformer to the power rating. His disadvantages is secondary does not provide electrical between primary circuit. That's all.